Hey, you web travelers! Look at that, the cat returns. This is a special video, you know why? Because Aliexpress has a lot of things to offer, especially like in terms of cards last years. So I've been browsing a whole freaking year Aliexpress for looking into singles, like the just single cards that I would like to have. So it's been 1 year since I bought them, some of them are more fresh, but a few months definitely for the last one. I can't remember what I bought. What I do remember is that me being me, I bought a lot of Rintosuka cards, because that's my favorite waifu. But not only them, so don't worry, there will be some variety in this video. Obviously I have seen them just a little bit when the packages came, so I needed to confirm that that was the package that I was waiting for. But I haven't like got a very good look of them, and some of them are like double, like a few cards, so I haven't even seen some of them. Some of them I have confirmed my wife, so it's gonna be a surprise for me. So I'm just gonna pull out the first packaging and we're gonna see what it's gonna be. They are open, obviously, because I needed to confirm the cards. Oh boy, look at that. Oh my god, it's even Galleon. Oh boy, look at that! So me making this video is just showing to you guys that you can get everything on Aliexpress, everything your heart desires. This video was a long time into making and a lot of money went into this, so like, subscribe, let your parents know that TCG Comrade brought shit from Aliexpress. Don't do that part, I don't know why I said it. Okay, so it's even got the case, which is cool. It's one card, yeah, it's only one card. Freaking amazing. I can already see why I bought this card. The back looks way different, but also good. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. But that's not only thing in this packaging. We have another one, and yeah, you can already see. So now this package is done. There's Rintosuka in here. Let's open up. Also one card. Cool, cool, cool. Let's put it out of the sleeve. It's out of the sleeve, and yeah, I mean, that's my waifu. Very cool. I'm gonna take another package out of the cat. I got this one. Ooh, I know what this is. I remember this. There's a funny story, and there's a very cool story. This golden card, metal. It was probably an error of a price, because it was like 50 cents. They're more pricey than that, believe me. Probably someone who set the prices on Aliexpress fucked up a little. I ordered it, and I don't think they're allowed to say no then, because I already paid for that price, and so they sent me this for like only 50 cents or something like that. That's less than $1 at least. So that's why I remembered this card. Next packaging, Pixar. The fuck did I buy? Why do I have a dinosaur? What did I buy? It needs to be waifus. Trust me, I didn't buy anything else than waifus. How the fuck is this a Pixar card? Okay. Okay. First of all, I didn't order this, so I'm very curious to see what's gonna be between those cards, because you can see there's something else. Second of all, why the fuck can I do this? What's the purpose of this? Like, why would I do this? Cars again. So it is a Pixar, yes, just a normal shine. Hey, we got Woody, very good shine. Got a story like shine, so cool. Then we got ooh, I can already see what's there. I'm gonna surprise. Let's see. Let's watch Cars first, and just okay. There's just screens from Cars mostly. Somehow a wild Woody appeared between the cars. So I don't know why to send me Pixar cards. Thank you, seller, I guess. But that's the thing. I don't know if that's the front or the back. Oh, the quality is actually very nice. It's kind of glossy, but also you can see a little bit the material, the texture, what it's made for. What? Oh boy! That's a blur content. A lot of them are gonna look like this. I don't think I even confirmed what this was, because this wasn't opened before. Let's see. Oh, there are two cards. What do we have here? Overlord. Oh, damn. Okay. Overlord. Yeah, I forgot I bought this card. This looks like some good rarity from Gather Story, but it's not, because they don't have this rarity, I believe. But the style is very cool. You have some background there, you have her face here, you have like shine there and there. I mean, she's kind of hot, not gonna lie. Oh, that's awesome. You can see that detail here, and then you have different characters on here. Nice, good shine, very cute detail. That's kind of cool card. Hey, something what's not in Ring Tossica. That's impressive, right? Let's see what's inside of here. Oh, another Evangelion card. Interesting. Also the same packaging, so maybe it's even from the same seller, but in different times I ordered for him. All right, the back. Yes, it already tells what card this would be. Let me just, yes, very cool. Okay. I mean, even she's hot, man. Again, different backs, like there's just Mecha there, and then we have, I forgot her name, but this art specifically is doing things in my brain and in my pants, and I love it. Why did I buy this? I don't know. Is this a mystery pack? Like, hey, you get, what is it, 10 cards from Maiden Party? Or did I buy certain single and they sent all of these cards with that single because they have them lying around? I don't remember because it's been a long time ago. But let's take a look at the card. It's a good set, by the way. Maiden Party has a very good, look at this shine, it's amazing. It's also very good quality. That's cool. Haven't seen this anime yet. Not my thing though, so I'm probably not gonna watch it. 2 cards of her in a row. Interesting. Okay. Looking sexy. Bikini cards. Let's go. Fate. Cool. But I already have this one. I also already have this one. But it's a good card. Genshin Impact. Let's go. Hey, that's from Sword Art. Alright. Cute. Sword Art again. Cool. And don't know who that is. So from the looks of it, there's not a single character that I would buy the card from, so I probably just bought like a random bit of Maiden Party cards, which is okay. That's an interesting dynamic into this video. Next package. Hey, I see my waifu. What a surprise, is it not? Also the same carton box, so I believe that's from the same seller. Didn't I got the nudes when I opened this? So there is a possibility that there will be nudes in here. So it's a shame you can't... Oh, there's definitely will be nudes in there. Oh my god, I just I just saw the back of the card. Okay, what I wanted to say is that's the shame that the Aliexpress yet at least don't have a whole booster box of nude cards. That would be awesome. But they have a lot of singles. So as you can see, I bought some of them. Is this safe too? Yes, that's safe. Nice ass. My waifu. Love it. I think my wife would also enjoy those cards. Good shine, man. Good quality. Very good quality. I love this. Okay, another one. Can I show what's at the back? At least behind this card, yes. Can I show what's back here? Yes, I can. There's some action going on. Come on, please. Why don't you? My god. Please, what's your problem? Freaking cam sees all those faces and thinks I need to focus on them. Alright, so I think now is the card that I can't show you. No, I can show you this one. Okay, very cool. But let's take a look then at first at this one. Cool, the shine, amazing. I love it. Alright, cool. Hey, I have the whole gang here, there, I mean, cool, very cool. But there was a back of a card, probably this one, that is probably not for show. Hey, Christmas vibes, very nice. Sexy, man, I love those cards, amazing. So, can I show you this? Nope, I definitely can't. Alright, what's in here? I already see, that's very cool, very nice. How, I don't... I opened it. Took me a while. Nino, great waifu, love it. Square edges, a thick kind of card. The back is meh, but the front, man, oh my god, look at that, look at the Bible, look at the face, it's so cute, I love it. The shine is nice. Good one card, good one card, good card. Jeez, I feel the same box in this, so yeah, all right. There's Nami. I can't remember ordering Nami. but probably I did order an Ami. Let's open up. Oh, hello there. Oh Lord, that's probably why I can't remember ordering the Nami, because I ordered the other card. Can I even show you some part of it? I can't, oh my god. Just to give you the feel of the card, I guess. It feels different, like it's not glossy, but holy shit, that's an... yeah, I can see myself buying this, you know. But why did I get a Nami? Oh, I know. Whew. I didn't order Nami, that's for sure, because I don't see myself doing that. I mean, I don't have anything against Nami, but especially with those big boobas. But then that's not something I will order. Trust me. So I got this one for free, and thank you, seller from Aliexpress, for giving me this one for free. Yes, that's a very interesting card there. Okay, I knew I ordered some of the nude ones, but I didn't expect it to be that many. So what do you know about yourself, huh? Yes, the next package. Let's see what kind of singles are in here. Oh, there's a lot of cards in here. That's interesting. Is it again like some kind of mystery package? Oh yeah, obviously. Fuck yeah, man. Look at them. Look how cute they are. Ishatar and Erishagal. I'm gonna show them separately to you, because then the camera can focus better. Look. Amazing. Shit, man. Shit with that. That's what makes me happy. A pair of a card. The card shop. On sale. Buy 2. 9. Have I paid freaking €10 for this? Holy shit. I don't have place for them. Oh my god. What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna... Sorry. I'm gonna replace you with her. And I'm gonna replace you with her. Alright. There's another thing in here. I don't remember if I ordered this. What does it say? 9 cards. Fate Grand Order. Maybe there were like some cool cards that I wanted to have, and then I ordered a whole set. Let's see. Okay, the all bags look like this, which is kind of cool. It's a cool bag. I don't mind it. But yeah, the freaking quality, man. It feels amazing. And then we have you with this freaking thing going through your bikini, which is just amazingly stupid, but doesn't matter. Man, the water looks amazing. God damn. Then we have more sex cards, man. That's why I buy them, I think. Yeah, cool. More Fate, more sexy Fate. Hey, that's wow, man. That's some quality right there. Look at that. Hand going through there, like what the fuck? But still looks sexy. And at the very back, Jeanne d'Arc. I thought we are almost through this, but we are not. There's still packages left in here. So next package, maybe it's some nudes. Okay, this cardboard again. So it might or not. Okay, Ishatar, my waifu. Hehehe. Yes, look at the ass. Beautiful. What can I say? And another Ishatar at the back. Freaking amazing. Okay, let's put you there. What do we have here? This packaging is gone. Like what? I can rip it faster than open it. Oh, that's a cool one. That's an interesting one. Also, again, the other bag, like every time the bag is different from the ones before, even though it's the same seller. I forgot the name of this anime, but they made a remake, and I've seen few episodes of it, and it's very funny. And the design of this character is so sexy. It got no business being that sexy, but it's amazing. All right, next package. Next package we have again, freaking every time. Oh my god, LOL. I already see something. What the fuck? And why do I say what the fuck? I mean, it's from Maiden Party. It's amazing. But I said what the fuck because I bought it twice. Once from a Maiden Party and once just from a random single. I don't mind, but that just gives you a good idea that I didn't lie to you when I said I bought this like during 1 year. Because I probably bought one at the start of the year and one at the end of the year. Well. But that's not everything that's in here. I also got this beautiful Rias Grammary. Holy shit, also from Maiden Party. Why did I got them when I opened the box, man? Beautiful, ultra rare. And the last card from this package is Muse Dash, and that's kind of cool. So Muse Dash is a freaking amazing game, and this is from God Story, probably the only card that we will see from God Story in here, and that's a promo card, and that's probably why I bought it, because hunting for promo cards is just, you can't. You get random ones, you don't know from which set they are, you can't buy them from specific sets, so if you want a specific promo card, don't bother by buying some promo packs. There's only 2 packages left for all ages, it said, and then I see the S. Very interesting. I don't know if I can unblur the front. I don't know why. Okay, I can. Very cool. Okay, we have Quintessential Quintuplets, a very sexy one. Goddamn. And then I have. Oh, this one is heavy. Why is it heavy? What the hell? This doesn't look like a bot dish. Cause look at this. That's not the character that I know or care about. I think that somewhere along the lines, by opening the random boxes from Aliexpress, I want something. Like, you can find price cards, and then you can ask your seller, I have these price cards, what can you get me? I think your seller decides if he's gonna do something or not, and I think that I did get the price card, and so I want this card, which he sent to me, and I probably thought that's something that I bought myself, for myself, but it's not. And that was the last item, actually. So hey, that's not that bad, I thought there were more. So a lot of Rin Tossicas, as you can see. So if you have your favorite waifu, you definitely can find some single loose cards of her. So I wish you all luck on hunting your waifu on Aliexpress. And let me please know in the comments what you think about this video. Should I do more? And I see you in another one, web traveler.